what you do when you are stressed, the choices that you make when you are stressed, your behavior when you are stressed. Because if you can handle yourself while you are under stress, you can handle success. So the idea is, paano mo i-handle yung sarili mo habang nasa stress na environment ka. Because here's the reality. If you wanna be successful, hindi mawawala yung stress. You're always under stress. Most of the highly successful people that I know, lahat sila hard sa sarili nila. Ako, sobrang hard ako sa sarili ko. Hindi pwedeng mas hard kayo sa akin. Para pag may taong hard sa akin, sorry, ginawa ko na yung kanina umaga. Diba? Pag hard sa akin yung nanay ko, hard sa akin yung kaibigan ko, walang pake. Kasi mas hard ako sa sarili ko. I'm expecting more from myself. So learn how to handle yourself. So how do you do that? So sagutin na natin. How do you do that? Learn and listen. Learn about yourself. Listen to yourself. Yung sinasabi mo, pakinggan mo.